Hi everybody. Like I told you, this is Volcano Week. This is lesson number 2 in Volcano Week, and we're going to spend from now until the end of the school year talking about volcanoes and earthquakes. So the assignment today is something that you have not seen before. It's called an interactive slideshow. And when you open the link on Google Classroom, when you open it, it might ask you to log in with your Google account. If it does, just go ahead and log in with your Google account like you've done before. And when you open it up, the first thing you're going to see is a slide like this. You can tell me how you're feeling today. And then what's going to happen is this is self-paced. You're going to go through the slideshow, but there's going to be questions on different slides, and you're going to have to answer the questions as you go. So this is the title slide, and you'll just click to go to the next slide. You do need to make sure that you're reading and looking at the pictures. So in this case, this is about tectonic plates. Earth's crust has been broken into giant pieces called tectonic plates. And yes, I'm taking a look at that. And the next slide is going to ask me to do something. So the directions are right here. It says draw a line from the plate names to the right place on the map. So I'm going to show you how to do this. The North American plate. There's the plate name. I draw it to the right place in the map. The Pacific plate, maybe I want to do that with a different color. So the Pacific plate is right there. And the Eurasian plate is from here to right there where it says Eurasian. So there's different slides that are going to ask you to draw something on the slide, and that's how you do it. Do not turn in this slide presentation until you have interacted with every slide. Thanks, and have fun with it. Ciao.